Therefore, this respondent humbly prays that this honorable court may be pleased to dismiss the petitioner with costs and thus render justice full stop. The learned motor accident claims tribunal, after considering the plea of the claimant and the counter statement of the first respondent, had framed three issues full stop, which was the accident caused by the driver of the tempo due to rush and negligent manner, question mark, whether the claimant is entitled to get compensation, question mark, what other relief, question mark, para. PW1, the claimant had adduced evidence stating that on 29/2001 at about 12 p.m. he was proceeding on his scooter full stop while he was nearing so and so the first respondent's tempo when bearing registration number TN 27J2964 was proceeding in front of the scooter full stop. All of a sudden, the driver of the tempo applied its brake without any caution, full stop. Hence, the scooter dashed against the tempo, full stop. As such, the accident had happened, full stop. In the result, PW1 sustained grievous injuries, full stop. Immediately, he was taken to the hospital, wherein he was inpatient for 1 day. PW1 further adduced evidence stating that after the accident, he was unable to carry out his normal work and he was in rest for a period of 1 year, full stop. He had adduced evidence stating that his earning was rupees 6,000 per month through his Xerox center business, full stop. He further stated that he spent a sum of rupees 8427 towards medical expenses, for which he has marked exhibit P6 series, full stop, para. After considering the evidence of PW1 and PW2 and the documents marked as exhibits, the learned motor accident claims tribunal had awarded the compensation as follows: rupees 30,000 under the head of pain and sufferings, transport charges and loss of income during the treatment period, rupees 80,000 under the head of disability, rupees 84,000 under the head of medical expenses, full stop. In total, the tribunal awarded a sum of rupees 1 lakh with interest in the rate of 9% per annum from the date of filing the claim petition till the date of payment compensation, full stop. The tribunal further directed the appellant National Insurance Company to deposit the said amount with accrued interest thereon within a period of 1 month from the date of its order, full stop. In turn, the said amount to be deposited a nationalized bank for a period of 3 years in the fixed deposit scheme, and the claimant was permitted, full stop.